What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to blow your minds with a challenge that's bigger than ever. Making money on YouTube without ever showing your face. That's right, you heard me. We're talking about faceless channels, the secret weapon for all you introverts and camera-shy creators out there. If you've ever dreamed of YouTube fame but break out in a cold sweat at the thought of being on camera, this video is your golden ticket. We're diving deep into the world of faceless channels, uncovering the secrets to their success, and showing you how to build your own empire without ever stepping foot in front of the lens. Get ready to have your minds blown as we break down the strategies, the content ideas, and the monetization methods that will have you raking in those sweet, sweet YouTube riches, all while staying completely anonymous. You don't want to miss this. All right, let's break it down. What exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? It's exactly what it sounds like. A channel where you, the creator, remain completely hidden. No face reveals, no awkward vlogs, just pure, unadulterated content. Now, you might be thinking, is that even possible? Can you really build a following without showing your face? And the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, some of the biggest channels out there are faceless, and they're absolutely crushing it. Think about it. When you watch your favorite gaming channel or that awesome cooking tutorial, do you really care who's behind the camera? Not really. You're there for the content, the entertainment, the value they provide, and that's the beauty of faceless channels. You get to focus on what truly matters, creating amazing content that people love, without the pressure of being in the spotlight. No need to worry about your hair, your outfit, or whether you're having a bad skin day. Just pure, unadulterated creativity. Plus, there's a certain air of mystery that comes with a faceless channel. It's like a secret society, and viewers love to be a part of something unique and intriguing. It sparks their curiosity, keeps them guessing, and leaves them wanting more. So, if the thought of being on camera makes you want to run for the hills, don't sweat it. Faceless channels are your ticket to YouTube success, and we're about to show you how it's done. Now, let's talk content, the bread and butter of any successful YouTube channel. And the good news is, when it comes to faceless channels, the possibilities are endless. You can literally create content about anything you're passionate about, from gaming and tech reviews to cooking tutorials and travel vlogs. The key is to find a niche that you're genuinely interested in and that you know you can create consistently awesome content for. Remember, consistency is key on YouTube, so pick something you're passionate about and that you won't get bored of after a few videos. One type of content that works incredibly well for faceless channels is anything that involves a voiceover. Think explainer videos, educational content, top 10 lists, product reviews. The list goes on. You can easily record your voiceover separately and then use cool visuals, animations, and B-roll footage to bring your videos to life. Another great option is screen recording. This is perfect for gaming channels, software tutorials, or anything where you're demonstrating something on your computer. You can even get creative and add in some cool graphics, animations, and sound effects to make your videos even more engaging. And hey, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Just because you're not showing your face doesn't mean your videos have to be boring. Get creative with your editing. Use humor, storytelling, and anything else you can think of to keep your viewers entertained and coming back for more. Remember, the most important thing is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. If you can do that, you're already halfway there. All right, ready to roll up your sleeves and start building your faceless YouTube empire? Let's do it. Setting up your channel is super easy, and we're going to walk you through every step of the way. First things first, you'll need a Google account. If you're already rocking Gmail or using Google Drive, you're good to go. If not, head over to Google and create a free account. It takes like 2 minutes, tops. Once you're all set with your Google account, it's time to head over to YouTube and create your channel. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner and then click on your profile icon. You'll see an option that says create a channel. Click on that and bam, you're in business. Now comes the fun part, choosing a name for your channel. This is important, so take some time to brainstorm something catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. You can use websites linked to Magic to help you create catchy website names. Next up, you'll want to create a killer channel banner that represents your brand and the type of content you create. ChatGPT can create YouTube logos and banners for you. It's as simple as that Canva is a great tool for creating eye-catching graphics, even if you're not a design whiz. Keep it clean, professional, and make sure it's visually appealing. Now let's talk about your channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is all about and what kind of content they can expect to see. Keep it concise, engaging, and make sure to include relevant keywords so people can find your channel when they're searching on YouTube. Last but not least, don't forget to upload a profile picture. Even though you're not showing your face, you still need a visual representation of your channel. You can use a logo, a cool graphic, or even just an image that represents your niche. And there you have it. Your Faceless YouTube channel is officially up and running. Now it's time to start creating some epic content. Okay, so you've got your Faceless channel all set up and ready to go. Now comes the real challenge, creating content that's so captivating, so mind-blowingly awesome, that people forget they're not even seeing your face. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some pro tips to make your content pop, even without the FaceTime. First up, visuals are your new best friend. Since you're not relying on facial expressions and body language, you've got to bring the energy through what people see on screen. Think high-quality B-roll footage, stunning images, and graphics that would make even a Hollywood blockbuster jealous. You can use platforms like InVideo that creates the graphics and voiceover for you. And hey, who said you can't have a personality without a face? Your voice is your secret weapon. Inject your energy, your humor, your unique style into every word you say. Think of yourself as a radio DJ, captivating your audience with your voice alone. Music and sound effects are like the spices in your content recipe. They can take a good video and make it great, adding emotion, excitement, and keeping viewers hooked. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your style. Storytelling is your superpower. Everyone loves a good story, and it's a fantastic way to connect with your audience on an emotional level, even without showing your face. Weave narratives into your content, build suspense, and keep people on the edge of their seats. And remember, engagement is key. Respond to comments, ask questions, create polls, and make your audience feel like they're part of the action. The more engaged they are, the more invested they'll be in your channel. All right, let's talk money. Because let's be real, who doesn't love a little extra cash in their pocket? Monetizing a Faceless channel is totally doable, and we're about to break down the strategies that'll have you raking in those YouTube riches. First up, the classic AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning from those sweet, sweet ad revenues. Just remember, consistency is key. The more high-quality content you pump out, the more views you'll get, and the more those ad dollars will roll in. Affiliate marketing is your secret weapon for passive income. Find products and services related to your niche, join their affiliate programs, and sprinkle those links throughout your video descriptions and in those perfectly timed end screens. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the profits. Cha-ching! Sponsorships are where it's at. As your channel grows and you start attracting a loyal following, brands will be knocking at your virtual door, eager to collaborate. You can score some sweet deals, promoting their products or services in your videos in exchange for cold hard cash or even free swag. Merchandise, merchandise, merchandise. Everyone loves rocking merch from their favorite creators. Design some epic t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, whatever floats your boat, and let your fans rep your brand. It's a win-win. They get cool stuff, and you get another stream of income. And hey, don't underestimate the power of fan funding. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi allow your most loyal fans to support your channel directly through monthly subscriptions or one-time donations. In return, you can offer exclusive perks like behind-the-scenes content, early access to videos, or even personalized shoutouts. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right strategy, consistent effort, and a sprinkle of that Mr. Beast magic, you can turn your Faceless channel into a money-making machine. And there you have it, folks. The complete blueprint for building a wildly successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, creating killer content, and engaging with your audience like a boss. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button harder than a Mr. Beast challenge and subscribe for more awesome content. And don't be shy, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of Faceless channel you're dreaming of creating. Maybe I'll even feature some of your ideas in my next video. So go out there, Unleash your creativity and show the world that you don't need a face to become a YouTube sensation. I believe in you.